In this video, I'll be focusing on how to look rich, classy, and expensive on a budget. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi babe, my name is Mary and it's nice to meet you. So make sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so you can be notified whenever I drop a new video. In today's video, we'll be focusing on 10 steps on how to look rich and classy on a budget. The first step in looking classy and rich on the budget is to accessorize right. In this department, we keep things minimal while focusing on the detail. Now, depending on your color palette or your skin tone, you can accessorize with gold jewelries, pearls, white gold, diamonds. Even though you can't even afford the real deal, not to worry, you can achieve this by going for gold plated, gold colored, even pearl lookalikes. Accessorizing with the right jewelry automatically gives you a very put together, elevated and expensive look. But I must also warn you, avoid the urge to over accessorize with really chunky pieces, as this can overpower your entire look and even sometimes cheapen the look. Try balancing it out with some few dainty pieces for an overall classy look. My second step in achieving a rich and classy look on a budget, try going for neutral and monochromatic outfit. Number one, it looks very polished, very put together, and requires little to no effort to put this outfit together. You want to stick to your basic shades like your blacks, your whites, your neutrals. White, as you know or may not know, is associated with upper class, affluent, rich. Black will help you look more assertive, more powerful, like a boss chick. And tan shades will help add a bit more dimension to your overall look. My number 4 tip on looking classy and rich on the budget without breaking the bank is to choose the right fabrics. Choosing the right fabric can instantly elevate your entire look and make you look more expensive. So fabrics like silk and satin are a personal favorite. Not only do they make you look very sophisticated, very put together, very elegant, it's also very sexy and gives off the appearance of an overall classy look. In order for you to look rich and classy on a budget, you also have to look the part. This brings me to my 5th point, which is hair and makeup. It is better to opt out for a more minimalistic, clean girl makeup aesthetic look. Less is more. If you're going for a bolder red lip, you have to keep it minimal on your eyes. If you're going for a smoky eye, you have to keep it minimal on your lip. You should also make sure your hair is packed in a slick bun or put away nicely. Another thing for my Caribbean African queens, I would always suggest to invest in really good, authentic human hair wigs. And for all my naturalistas, trust me, you are not out of the equation as well. You can also pack your hair in a nice bun. You can leave it nice and let the natural coils show. Braid your hair. It all boils down to personal preference. Keep it tidy and avoid using loud colors. So when you see all those rich and expensive looking people, you don't see them with pink hair or a blue or green hair. No, bring it down to natural colors like your blacks, your browns, or your burgundy. My 6th step in looking classy and expensive on a budget is to avoid overly long and exaggerated designed nails. You know, all those nails that went viral at some point online. In as much as this doesn't look anywhere close to classy, it gives us the appearance of a drag queen. It's not a good look. It makes you look very tacky. I have to say it the way it is. What is that? Please, let's just ditch that this year. So ladies, let's tame it down, shall we? I would suggest you rather go for a fresh, clean, manicured set. I will stick to natural colors like your light pinks, your nudes, whites. Another color I really like that I feel is so classy, so timeless, so put together, so elevated are red nails. Oh my god, red nails are so flattering. They are so sexy. They command attention. Trust me. Have you heard of the red nail theory? I think it's timeless. And also, ladies, remember to keep it short and clean. This brings me to my 7th step on looking rich and classy on a budget. Ladies, go for a tailored outfit or outfits that fits you right. If you're on the budget, you don't have the extra money to tailor your outfit, except if you have the technical know-how to do it yourself, then by all means, why not? But if we're going by looking good on a budget or looking classy on a budget, go for your right size. It automatically elevates your entire look and makes you look more put together, classy and rich. We're almost there, ladies. Don't sleep on me. I'm sure you're having fun. This brings me to my number 8 step in looking rich and classy on a budget, is to invest in structured pieces. When I mean structured pieces, I mean your structured blazers, your structured bags, your structured shoes. They give off the appearance of an overall polished, sophisticated, professional and expensive look. Yes, ladies, you can go for the exaggerated shoulder pads, structured blazers. You can also go for structured bags, trousers. These pieces can just give off the appearance of rich vibes. Okay, all right, ladies, this brings me to my number 9 step in looking rich and classy on a budget. Avoid combining too many designer labels and logos. Yes, I understand, sis, you spend so much on your designer bag, on your designer trousers, on your designer shirt, on your designer shoes, but spending so much on designer item does not automatically make you look expensive. As a matter of fact, when worn wrongly, can actually cheapen your look. It makes you look like a masquerade. It's confusing to look at and gives us the appearance of tacky. Yes, sis, don't do that to yourself. My last and final tip in looking rich and classy on a budget will be invest in a very good perfume. Have a signature scent. Have you ever seen a rich person that doesn't smell good? No, I have never. Whenever a rich person walks into a room, their scent makes an appearance before even seeing the person. It overpowers the entire room. It commands attention. Yes, we can't have gone through all this effort in trying to look rich and classy on a budget and kill it by smelling like what I don't understand. No, sis. You have to invest in really good perfumes. And when I say invest, I don't mean you have to break the bank. I mean, I will naturally opt out for your Tom Ford, for your Chanel perfumes, MFK perfume. I did a review once on this channel. I'll be linking that above so you can go and watch it. But if you don't even have the money to break the bank, there are really, really good dupes, although they might not last as long, but you can find these really good dupes. Zara, for instance, sells really good designer perfume dupes and they smell really good. But the whole idea is for you to smell good, okay? Smelling good just ties up your entire look. It brings it together. It's a cherry on top, okay, ladies? So let's always ensure that we smell good all the time. So this brings me to the end of this video. If you did find this video helpful, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share, and don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you have any other tips, you can add it. I would love to also learn from you. Till I see you next time, stay beautiful and stay blessed. Bye, guys.